everyone, this is me, Abhishek Sarkar from Techmaster, and you're watching the episode of Tech Talks. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel by hitting that subscribe button down there and also hit the notification button to get the new notifications from YouTube whenever I upload my videos. So guys, let's begin with our today's topic. Okay guys, so before we begin with our today's video, let's give you all an announcement about the new update in the channel. Guys, I have made a decision that once in a month or twice in 2 months I will upload unboxing and review videos, because I think I am the first one on this category to do a vlogging, unboxing and a tutorial on a single channel. So guys, I think this is going to be epic, and please support me, please help me, and in a few days the unboxing video will come. It is a surprise for you guys. Till then, you watch this video till the end, and please don't skip the video to get the new information on the latest technologies from Techmaster. So today we are going to only listen to the 4 main and very important news on the technological field. So the first one we have is the leaked specification and images of Oneplus 7 or Oneplus 5G. So first let me explain you why it is called Oneplus 5G instead of Oneplus 7. Because guys, 5G is a new concept in India that will be launched in the after year or in the mid of this year, in the June-July months of this year. So OnePlus will be the first smartphone in the Indian market to have a 5G connectivity. So guys, we will discuss about the features and the functions that are being provided, and it is confirmed by the company, and this is going to be launched around mid-May in this year. So let's pick up about the features in this phone. The phone will come in 2 variants of colors. One is red and is black. The screen will be 6.5 inches with optic AMOLED display and 2380 into 1080 pixels with the resolutions. Okay, it is not going to have a notch or a V display. It's going to have a full screen display. 99% will be the screen ratio, screen to body ratio. And next feature, we move on to the variant and the RAM storages. The variants will be 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage is the first variant. The second variant is 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage is the second variant. It is found, according to the leaked images and the news, it is found that there will be a high-end specification variant which is around 10 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. That's huge guys, because it is OnePlus is making its phone as if a gaming laptop. So it's huge. It's going to cost around, I think it has not released the amount, the launching amount, but I think it might cost around 60 or 70,000 rupees. Next we move on to the camera. In the front we have a 16 megapixel 1.8 aperture camera with a LED flash, and at the back we have 2 dual camera. That is, we have only a pair of dual camera which consists of a 48, you can think, a 48 megapixel camera and a 5 megapixel camera with I think it's around 1.98 aperture, and it's going to have two LED displays. It's a great phone, it will be a great phone. And if we talk about the connectivity, it will have Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth, and of course a 5G connection. And it's going to have the other accelerator, sensor, and the different sensors. And the most important sensor is that is going to have a in-display fingerprint. Okay, in-display fingerprint sensor. And guys, the front camera will pop up like the Vivo V15 Pro. Okay, it has copied Vivo V15 Pro, so I think that will be a great phone. So guys, we move on to the next topic in our today's video. The second topic is that according to the blog post of the official site of PUBG Mobile, it is found that PUBG Lite will be released in this year in India, and it's going to make a great craze because it is only launched for the low end phones, for the low end laptops. Okay, first will be released for the PC versions, then it will be released on Apple Store and Google Play Store. Okay guys, it will be a great craze, so I am waiting for this, and I hope you enjoyed listening to this news. So the third news on this video is that Moto LG G7 mobile phone, you can pre-book it by going to the Motorola or the Moto official website, and it's going to cost around you 21,000 rupees, and it has great specifications. I have spoken about the phone in the last topic of Tech Talks, so you can go to the last episode of Tech Talks. It will be given in the I button, you can check that out. And the official blog post of the PUBG Mobile about the PUBG Lite mobile or the PC version game that will be launched in India, the link of that blog post will be given in the description. You can go and check that out, that blog. You can read it through, or you can see the blog by clicking the link that will be given in the description. So guys, we are moving on to our today's last but not the least topic is Google Plus will be stopped after 2nd April. I mean, Google Plus, of all the customers, all the Google customers, Google Plus account will be stopped, or the connections will be lost from Google Plus, because Google Plus is a platform which maximum of the users of the Google doesn't use it because of its, I don't think Google Plus must be stopped, because it's a great way to sign in into different websites, different applications, but it has lost its platform. It is nowadays only used as a sign in or a sign out. Okay, so I think it will be stopped guys, because there was a huge data breach on Google Plus. Around 500k private profiles were leaked due to a bug that was present in Google Plus, and due to the lack of consumer, Google has decided to stop the connection to Google Plus, and it will remove the brand forever. So guys, I think if you enjoyed this video, please put a thumbs up to this video, share the video with your friends and family to get the latest news on technology and the latest technologies that have arrived in the market. So guys, till then, thank you, have a nice day, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.